Hi friends, today on Bollywood Now we have the young star cast of Dablu, the film which releases on 14 March 2014. So let's have a tete-a-tete with them. So can you just tell us something about your movie?
Of course. First of all, my name is Lisa Mangaldas and this is my first film. I play a character called Sandy in the film, and it's a film that really positions us as powerful female figures. We're like the Powerpuff Girls in this movie. And we fight against oppression, we stand up for gender equality, and we really just don't take crap from anyone. So I'm very proud to be in the film because I think it's a message that Indian women really need to hear, and they need to feel empowered to do the same for themselves. So yeah.
Okay. And what about you?
Hi, I'm Leslie Tripathi. I play the role of Ruhi Malik. Ruhi Malik जो है वो ट्रेडिशनल है, वैल्यूज़ होल्ड करती है, अपने ख्वाबों की दुनिया में रहती है और शी इज़ जस्ट गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर, घरेलू लड़की है. मगर उसके लाइफ में भी ऐसा होता है कि उसका मानना ये है कि ज़िंदगी में हमेशा अच्छे लोगों के साथ अच्छा ही होता है, मगर लाइफ हैज़ डिफरेंट प्लान्स. ज़िंदगी में उतार चढ़ाव आते हैं और कैसे वो हैंडल करती है. और उसके भी टू स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं, सैंडी एंड मनु. तो उसका जर्नी है.
I play the character of Manu, and Manu also happens to be gay. But besides happening to be gay, she's also a very, very, the friendship between the three friends is very, very thick. And Manu is willing to do anything for her friends. She's very, very close to them. They are even closer than family to her. And this is a character who's very honest, and it's a very, very sensitive character. And I'm very proud to be playing this role, which has been chalked out really nicely.
Okay, and if probably the audience have to watch this film, what is so unique about this film? Because there are many films which have come on women empowerment.
I think that this film really effectively turns the mirror to the audience. You know, I think in India we live with double standards, and most of them we don't even question, particularly sexual double standards. I think men and women are held to very different standards in Indian society, and it's absolutely not acceptable. I should be able to live just the way I want to, and this film really makes that point very, very strongly, and it makes the point that women should take ownership of their sexuality. It's not something that the men around them are just entitled to, the way people seem to think is the case in real life, you know. So.
इसमें एज सैंडी ने जैसे कहा कि स्ट्रॉन्ग लड़कियों के लिए मैसेज है, इस फिल्म में 3 लड़कियों जो है वो 3 डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. जैसे रूही जो है वो घरेलू लड़की है, गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर, जो कि थोड़ी सी मायूस कभी कभी हो जाती है, कभी कभी ख्वाबों की दुनिया में रहती है. उसे पता नहीं होता कि दुनिया में गंदे लोग भी होते हैं, या गंदे लोगों के साथ इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं रहा है. और जब उसके साथ कोई हादसा होता है, रूही जैसी लड़कियों का, मिडिल क्लास लड़की, सोच मिडिल क्लास होती है, अगर कुछ उनके साथ कुछ हादसा होता है, अगर उन पे कुछ ऐसा होता है जहाँ पे वो अपना जो हौसला खो देती है, वो सोचती है कि अभी मैं मर ही जाऊँ बेटर है, क्योंकि मेरे पास जीने के लिए कोई मकसद ही नहीं रहा. मगर रूही के पास वो हौसला आता है, और ये रूही जो है शी इज़ रिप्रेजेंटिंग दोज गर्ल्स जो कि इंडियन कल्चर में बड़ी हैं, और उनको लगता है कि यार कंट्रोवर्सी, नेगेटिविटी, इन सब से मैं कैसे दूर ही रहूं, मगर अगर ऐसा हुआ तो कैसा हौसला बुलंद रखनी है. वैसी लड़कियों के लिए ये अच्छा मैसेज है, एंड मुझे अच्छा लगा बिकॉज मैं आई रिप्रेजेंट रूह के साथ आई एम वेरी क्लोज, और मैं खुद ही ऐसे कुछ मोमेंट से गुजर चुकी हूँ, और मुझे पता है कि मैं भी हौसला हार चुकी थी. मुझे लगा कि मुझे जीने का कोई हक़ नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं एक लड़की हूँ और मेरा नाम बदनाम हो रहा है या कुछ भी हो रहा है, लोग बुरा बोल रहे हैं मेरे बारे में. मगर मुझ में वो ताकत आई जीने की, और मैंने हार नहीं मानी. तो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि लड़कियों के लिए डब्ल्यू मैटर्स, कि आई विल स्टैंड स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो हौसले की बात है डब्ल्यू फिल्म को देखिए.
I think that all the 3 characters are very, very real, and besides some characters are simple, some characters are very complicated, but at the same time there's a underlying honesty in them. And I think why you need to watch the film is because it makes you believe the power to change lies in your own hands. I mean, there's not going to be some protector who's going to come and save you from your situation. At the end of the day, it lies in your hands, and you have the power to do it. Sometimes maybe you require friends to give you that conviction that you can move out of a very, very bad situation, but the film will reinforce the belief that no, it is possible to come out of the worst of situations, and to stand strong with your head held high, whatever happens to you. And that's how you should live, free, independent, not bothered about what the society has to say at times. It's time you stood up for what is right, and it's time you believe that you have the strength to change something. You can be part of a revolution.
And any favorite dialogue from the movie which will actually amplify your character, or which says something about your character which you can actually enact for the audience?
Well, I have
You
this
wanna take some
line
time? That's
that I hope will become a very sort of memorable classic line. I give it back to these boys and then I say to them, गलत लड़कियों से पंगा ले लिया तूने यार, and then I whack the crap out of them. So I hope that line will be memorable. I think it's one of the first times that a woman has done that to a man on screen in Hindi cinema. Yeah. And you know, while we keep going on about girls, women watching the film and everything, I think it's as important or more important that men watch this film, because I think that the point that it brings home and the message that it asks you to think about is you know, maybe even more important for men to recognize. I think that the mindset change that the film hopes to provoke is one that will start with the male viewer. So I really encourage all the men watching this to go see the film as well.
and आपका डायलॉग कोई भी सीन का जो आपके कैरेक्टर को दर्शाए?
ओके इसमें जो मेरा कैरेक्टर एक डायलॉग बोलता है, क्योंकि उसके सामने एक स्लीजी मैन बैठा है जो कि उसको पूरा अपने आँखों से एक्सरे कर रहा है, तो उसको ना थोड़ा उसे डराना भी है, क्योंकि शी इज़ लाइक मैं क्या करूँ अभी, मगर वो थोड़ी सी स्ट्रांग हो जाती है कि वो ऐसे देख रहा है, होता है ना लड़कियाँ थोड़ी सी ऐसे हो जाते हैं, तो वो पूछता है डब्ल्यू का मतलब क्या है, वेलकम ऐसे बोल रहा है, लाइक सोच रहा है कि मैं ऐसे वेलकम बोल रही हूँ, मैं बोल रही हूँ नहीं वाइल्ड विकेड वुमन, लाइक वो थोड़ा शॉक्ड हो जाते हैं ये क्या है वाइल्ड विकेड वुमन, क्योंकि आई डोंट रिप्रेजेंट वाइल्ड विकेड वुमन, बट उसको जब बोलती हूँ ना वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे करे
Every woman is a wild, wicked woman.
सो यू नो वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे करता है कि क्या है तो उसको मैंने ऐसे कर दिया कि वो जो मुझे ऐसे ऐसे देख रहा था ना, लाइक मुझे एक्सरे कर चुका था, मेंटली रेप कर चुका था, मैंने उसे जवाब दे दिया तो वो चुप हो गया, तो मेरा वो फेवरेट था, वही था डब्ल्यू का मतलब वाइल्ड विकेड वुमन.
आई थिंक मेरा एक डायलॉग आता है जब ये हादसा हुआ होता है, जब तीनों फ्रेंड्स एक साथ बैठे होते हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस सिचुएशन इज़ वेरी ग्रेव, एंड मेरा कैरेक्टर कहता है कि मेरे दोस्तों के साथ ऐसा करने वाले को मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी, you know, and this is exactly what I also feel in real life. If somebody tries to harm someone close to you, someone close to your family, you don't want them to let go away, you know, scot free, whisk away completely freely, and that's what my character believes, and there's a love for your own you know, kind, and you want to protect them. So yeah.
So since you play a lesbian character in this movie, so one dialogue which will actually highlight your that side of the personality.
So एक सीन है एंड में, आई डोंट नो वेदर इट विल बी रिटेन इन द फिल्म और नॉट, बट उसमें मनु हु इज़ वेरी मनु इज़ समबडी हु इज़ वेरी लाइक इट्स टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ encouraging from Sandy to tell her mother, but she just believes कि the family is so conservative that they will probably never really, you know, get to know, but towards the end she does come out to the family and she doesn't say I'm lesbian, but she just says कि माँ मैनू मुंडे पसंद नहीं आउंदे. Okay, so she's just saying that I don't find men attractive, but she's actually saying that I'm lesbian. But maybe, you know, the Indian audience is not ready to hear that word, but saying something, I mean, not making a big you know, halla gulla about the word, just say कि माँ मैनू मुंडे नहीं पसंद.
If you can do it a bit more feeling.
So the character is crying, but I can still do it. माँ मैनू मुंडे पसंद नहीं आउंदे. Thank you.
And जाते जाते one line about the movie as to why the audience or the youth should watch it.
You should watch W because I think that after watching it, you'll be stronger than you were before it.
Nari Shakti. W represents Nari Shakti for me.
You must watch W because it's a hardcore entertainer with real issues.
and I also think that even parents जो होते हैं, they also want guys who are who have girlfriends, fathers who have daughters, husbands who are concerned with their wives. They want their wives, daughters, sisters, everybody to be strong and strong. At least सर उठा के जियो. ऐसे कोई भी हादसा अगर आपके साथ होती है तो it's important that आप हार मत मानो. दुनिया को आप स्ट्रांगली प्राउडली फेस करो कि हुआ है तो हुआ है, मैं आगे बढ़ सकती. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी गुनाह है. अगर रेप भी होता है लोगों का ऐसा लगता है कि अरे लड़की का कसूर है, तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट ऐसा जो भी हुआ I can face the world. हो गया, it's past. I can move on and I'm strong. So that's a very powerful message that gives to girls who have been affected not only by rape but there are a lot of other issues life में होता है, divorce होता है, कुछ भी होता है. They shouldn't give up. This film gives a very good message. मुझे तो बहुत empowered लगा script पढ़ के और acting करने के बाद भी.
फिल्म के एंड में आपको बहुत एक अच्छी फीलिंग आएगी, यू नो, you'll feel very good inside after seeing that film, and I think that's why you should watch it.
Yeah, it also has great music and there's moments of humor in the film as well. So I think there's something for everyone in the movie, and at one level, people watch films to be entertained. It will, as Sonal said, definitely do that, but it'll also leave you with something more, which I feel that so few films do today. They normally just entertain, so this will go that extra level. So I encourage you to see it. It releases 14th March 2014.
And we believe that ये जो alphabet W है, that becomes this immortal. जब भी W लोग देखे, they remember it stands for wow, wonder, wonderful woman out there. So W represents woman. And please encourage and support us, support the women out there. Our message for them, जो कि March 14, 2014 को आ रहा है. Thank you.
So thank you and wish you all the best. In Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat, this is SKD signing off for Bollywood Now. And keep watching Bollywood Now for latest on Bollywood and television.
Hi, मैं हूँ Leslie Tripathi और देखते रहिए Bollywood Now.